Good morning, students. Once more, J. Kumar before you with today's topic, and topic is discovery of neutron. My dear students, so far we came to know from the discharge tube experiment that there are two types of charged particles present in an atom. But students, after a long time, one presence of one more particle inside an atom was detected, and that particle, in addition to proton inside the nucleus of atom, is of neutral particle, is of neutral character, and that's why it was named as neutron. So neutron is a neutral particle present inside the nucleus of an atom in addition to positively charged protons. So students, this discovery of neutron, this particle was discovered by this particle, this neutral particle was discovered by James Chadwick in the year 1932 by bombarding an alpha particle which is helium ion, and alpha particle on beryllium metal, means neutron was discovered by bombardment of alpha particle on beryllium metal. Students, this is beryllium, and mass of beryllium is 9 and atomic number of beryllium is 4, and when this beryllium metal was bombarded by helium and alpha particle, here you can see an alpha particle, then neutron was discovered. So students, this is the neutron, and which was discovered by James Chadwick in the year 1932 by bombarding an alpha particle on beryllium atom. So students, now it became clear that in an atom there are three types of subatomic particles: proton, electron, and a neutral particle also exists inside the nucleus, and that is neutron. Neutron is a chargeless particle, means charge of neutron is 0, and mass of a neutron was measured as 1.675 multiplied 10 to the power minus 24 gram, which is approximately equal to mass of proton. So students, the mass of proton and neutron are approximately equal. 1.675 multiplied 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So this is the absolute mass of a neutron. And in this way, students, three types of subatomic particles are present in an atom, and it became clear by the famous discharge tube experiment, and also the experiment observed by the James Chadwick on bombarding an alpha particle on beryllium metal. Okay, thank you very much. And students, one more thing, charge on neutron, also you know, 0. Charge means it is a chargeless particle. Okay, thank you very much.